The 7 steps to purchasing a home. And we're on step number 4. And honestly, it's probably the one that you've been waiting for the whole time. We're going to talk about looking for a home starting right now. Hi, thanks for watching. My name is Ferrier and I am a licensed loan originator. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified. Also hook me up by liking me on Facebook and following me on Instagram. The 4th step in the home buying journey is the one that's the most fun. Let's face it, this is where you get to meet with your real estate agent, take a look at properties that are in your price range. Because remember, you've already gone through step 1. You've spoken to a loan officer to determine if this is the right time to purchase a home. You've gone through step number 2 of completing the application. You've already been through step number 3 of getting pre-qualified. So now you know how much home you can afford. You've already provided your bank statements and your pay stubs and your W-2s and tax returns. Your loan officer has given you, this is your max amount. Here's what your down payment is going to look like for you. If you're purchasing a $400,000 home and this is your first home, you're probably going to be putting 3% down. And that 3% would be $12,000, right? So you've already gone through the pre-qualification process. Now you're going to have fun going around with your real estate agent and looking at homes that fit your needs. It is very important to work with a real estate agent who understands what your needs are. Make sure that you share your needs, goals, and objectives with your real estate agent. This is the person that you're going to be spending a lot of time with during the home buying journey. What is important to you? The number of rooms, the location, the size of the property. Do you want a condo? Do you need a single family house? Is budget and price range? Is that what's important to you? Conveying all of your goals and objectives to your real estate agent and your loan officer will help for a smooth transition. If you would like to take advantage of my free home buying consultation, no strings attached, make sure to visit my website below and pick a time on your calendar that works best for you. Now we're going to see you in step number 5.